Hello, this is Arnold. In this chapter 23, we'll be talking about five fundamental variables. So, before we'll discuss, let's welcome the new and improved visual analysis graphing paper. Mas klaro ni siya karon na copy, and the link in the description for the printable copy. If you want this for your graphing, so pwede ninyo gamiton. Same ra sila og measurements. So, let's have a discussion. So, what are the five fundamental variables? So from the number 5, so lima ni sila kabuok. Natay lateral position, natay height, slope, positive width, and negative width. So what does these geometric properties indicate? These are the fundamental variables. Oh, nakahibaw na ta fundamental variables. Pero unsa man ning fundamental variables? Muna sila ang mga importante na mga points nga makahimo sa imo zone of comfort. So as you can see sa kaning lateral position, this has an equivalent for the clinical of distance for you with accommodation relax, of course, because our AD here is 0. Our height of number 19 is our AA. Slope is ACA ratio. So magamit na nato ang ACA ratio nga rin. And we have the number 16A for the PFV and the 17A and FV. So with these five fundamental variables, makahimo na taog zone of comfort dayon. So no need sa mga katong values of the other stuffs. Sa katong mga break, sa katong sa mga doubling and the recovery. So let's have an example. So suppose na mo ni siya ang given sa ato So mag-solve na ta. Starting with the number 8, 7 SO. So what is our number 8? That is our lateral position, number 8. Ang given sa ato is 7 SO. Ang imo buhaton ani is same ra sa ato pag-solve sa mga miagi na chapters, which is finding out the AD, AL, the CD, and PM to get our TSA and our TC. And AD is equals to 0 because this is a FAR test. Accommodation is relaxed. AL is 0 because walay gihatag nga rin na number 7. So we can assume na plano ni siya. And by that, we get the value of our TSA, which is equal to 0. And then our CD is equals to 0 because AD times 6 is equals to 0. PM is plus 7 because SO siya. 7 SO is equals to plus 7. That's why our TC here is plus 7. And after that, makaplot na din ka sa imo graph. So TSA is 0 and TC is equals to plus 7. And don't forget na X ni siya because this is a Fourier test. Next is our height, which is 9.50. The question is, can you graph na? Dili pa. Because one value alone cannot be kanang dili pa nimo mabot nga linya. It can be either anhi. So you need at least 2 points para maka-plot aning sa number 19. That's why we have to skip ngarita sa ato slope. So sa given kay slope is equal to ACE ratio, which is 2.8 is to 1. 2.8 is to 1. And then we'll use the formula ACA is equals to AC over TSA. And this is 2.4, 2.8. 2.8 ni siya. So equals to AC over 2.50. And since we already have for the value of the ACA and the TSA, nganong 2.50 ato TSA because ang kining ACA ratio is nakuha ni siya sa katong 13B o sa 13B plus 1 nato na test. Anya, unsa may test distance ato? That is 16 inches. That's why our TSA here is 2.50. And then, after ana, ang ato pangitaon karon kay ang unidentified nga which is ang our AC. So, transpose the 2.8 here. So, 2.5 times 2.8 is equals to 7. Nga, after ana, nakakuha na ka sa imo AC na 7, pwede na ta makakuha sa estimation of 13B. Same process ra gihapon. AD is equals to 2.50, nya AL is equals to 0. TSA 2.50. CD is plus 15 because 2.5 times 6 is equals to 15. Nya, ang say sunod ani. Ato ni i-plot sa ang kining TC. Because wala pa man tayo given na PM. Question mark pa ni siya. So how do we get the TC for the estimation of our 13B? That is by adding the TC number 8 plus our AC. So pilay value sa to TC number 8. So mabalik ta atong sa first step na to, which is kini. So substitute the value of 7. So we have plus 7. Be mindful of the sign. Plus 7 siya. Plus 7 is equals to plus 14. That's why our TC here is plus 14. And then plus 14 minus plus 15 is equals to minus 1. That's why our PM here is negative 1. Tungod kay minus sign siya, so ato 13B na value is 1 exo. Then after that, mo-plot dayon ka. Okay, we already have the two values, ang kining sa ato lateral position and the slope. 13B, I mean. And now, we can now plot for the height, which is our number 19, 9.50. So as you can see, ni igo na siya sa duha, nya ang ato endpoint na number 19 kay naa nga ni. And don't forget na circle siya because it is a blur point. After that, we can now plot for the 16A, which is our positive width. So positive meaning padong siya nga ri. So our given sa 16A is 16. So AD is 2.50 because this is a near test. CD is plus 15 because times 6 is sa AD. Nya PM plus 16 because 16A is our base out test. So meaning always positive ang ato PM nga ri. So our TC here is equals to 31 because you just have to add this algebraically. Okay, next is our 17A. 17A is equal to 13 prism. Nga rin na siya na side because this is a base in. So TSA is equals to 2.50, nya CD is plus 15, PM is equals to negative 13 because this is base in again. So our TC is plus 2. And after that, makaplot na ka. So 2.50 and 2. So inana lang. Then after ana kay, you can now form the zone of comfort. So with these 5 fundamental variables, makahimo na ka sa imuha zone of comfort. So ingana lang siya, gamit lang sa 5 fundamental variables. Just make sure na same lang sila og kaslant because once na masipyat na ka sa ila kaslant, wrong na ang imo answers. And again, take note na 1 diopter away siya ang kining pag-curve nimo og sa kining pa-straight line. Okay, we're done with the 5 fundamental variables. Now na nakahimo na ta og zone of comfort, we can now locate any test for this graph. So, let's proceed with the locating of the number 20. So, again, ang sa paglocate sa 20 kay mogamit ta sa ato base inline. So, asa siya naka-igo sa base inline. So, as you can see, naa siya nga rin, which is equivalent to TSA 7.25. Now, na kay value sa TSA, maka-answer na sad ka sa imo AL. So, AL is equals to AD minus TSA. So, 2.50 minus 7.25 is equals to negative 4.75. So, our AL here is negative 4.75. Take note na basta 20 gyud, number 20 is, all ang AL nga rin is always negative because you are introducing minus lenses. But the TSA here doesn't have any sign because this is accommodation. Okay, next is our locating of the number 21. So, ang imo nakitaon nga rin karon is ang base outline. So, naa siya nga rin, which kanang naigo siya sa may 0 nga TSA. So, mag-solve na ta so AL. AL is equals to AD minus TSA. 2.50 minus 0 is equals to plus 2.50. So, nanatay values of AL. And then after that, makaplot na dayon ta sa ato graph nga rin, which is na nga rin. And don't forget na Ang kining sa 20 and 21 is upat ni siya ka box. Because if makulangan kag usa ka box, minusan na din ka na. Okay, maka-proceed na ta karon sa ato locating of the 13B, 16A, and our 17A. Sa ato kuan sa ato gipangita karon kay locate 13B at 13 inches with 5 diopters AL. So ato sa solve ang AD nga ri which is 3. Asa nigi ka ng 3 because sa ato test distance na 13 inches. 40 divided by 13 is equals to 3. So ang ato AL nga ri since gi-specify nga rin na naay tay minus 5 AL, that is our AL here. And the next is our getting sa TSA. 8 siya because na may minus lens. That stimulates the accommodation. That's why our TSA here increases. CD is equals to plus 18 because AD times 6 equals to 18. PM and TC, these are what the mo nga to mga pangitaon karon. So imura itansya nga ri kung asa maigo ang TSA na value na 8 nga ri sa ato Fourier line. Ngano sa Fourier line? Because 13B belongs to the Fourier line. So naa diri ang 8 nya ato kitahon kung asa siya naigo sa Fourier line, which is less than 30. So we have to assume na siya sa 29. So na natay TC na 29. Now we can get the value for our PM. PM is equals to TC minus CD is equals to 29 minus 18 is equals to plus 11. Na natay value sa to plus 11. Na natay value nga ri. And then, we have to put it here. Unsa man, SO or XO? That is SO because it is plus. Don't forget ang kining word na SO because this is a Fourier test. Next is locating of the 16A with minus 5 diopters AL. Ang ato nakitaon nga ri is ang ato base out line because 16A belongs to the base out limit. So simply substitute AD is equals to 2.50 because the test distance here was not specified. AL is equals to minus 5 because gi-specify nga rin ang AL nato niya T is equals to 7.50. So imo itansya ang 7.50 nga ri asa siya maiglo sa ato base outline. So this is more than the 45, more than half siya. So we have to assume that the TC is equals to plus 46 or plus 47. Ikaw na bahala. Okay. Now we have the value for our TC. We can now solve for the PM. TC is equals to minus CD. So 46 is minus 15 equals to plus 31. So, nanatay PM na to. Yeah, ibutang sad nga ri equals 31 prism. Prism na siya. Wala na siya atong sign. Because di man ka magbutang nga nag plus or minus, di ba, sa pag 21 steps nimo. Okay. Next is our 17A. Locate 17A at 1 meter with negative 3.25 diopters AL. Okay. Sa ato AD, kay na 1 siya because gi-specify nga ring test distance. So 1 over 1 is equals to 1. So that's why our AD here is equals to 1. AL is negative 3.25, gi-specify nga rin. And our TSA here is 4.25 because minus lenses increases the TSA. CD is equals to plus 6. And then we will now tansya the TC. So 4.25 here. Nya ato siya iigo kung asa siya maigo sa ato base in line. Base in line na ta. So that is what value? That is more than 5. So naa siya sa mga 6, 7. So ang ato gigamit nga ri is ang plus 6. Now we have the value of TC na 6. So makasolve na to sa 2 PM. So 6 minus 6 equals to 0. So our value for our 17A here is equals to 0, which is also known as our ortho. So I guess that ends for the locating and the that is the discussion for my 5 fundamental variables. And then we can now have the practical exam. Oh no, practice exam rather. So the coverage is chapters 15 to 22. So mag-una ta ani morning test 1. So mogamit ka aning sa katong chapters 15 to 15 to 22 siya na coverage ang sa test 1. Kindly pause the video lang para maka-apas ka. Then this is our test 2 which is ang coverage ani kay ang chapter 23. This very lesson. So Mo na siya. On answer on the separate graph siya. Okay? So pause lang ninyong video para maka-answer mo sa inyo ha. And then I will provide the answers on the description below. And I guess that's it. That's it for our chapter 23, 5 fundamental variables. And this is the last lesson we have on the visual analysis. Thank you very much for staying with me sa kining visual analysis na to na subject. And thank you for choosing Anald. Thank you. Bye-bye.